Okay, hey, so you know that that like whirring sound or that I don't know what to call it. The like you know the whirring sound from like a helicopter or something? You know that sound that I did a video on like a while ago? I was like, "Ah, I don't know why it's making that sound." I finally got the back panel off this thing. Finally got that off. It was the fan. Look at that. It's I don't even know what that is, but it's covered. I mean, I know it's dust, but it's like it looks like it's also hair and stuff. Yeah. So I think it wasn't able to move and stuff. So like I gotta clean this. This is gross. Ew. Yeah. Ew.